How to fix Instagram story zoom error. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Instagram story zoom error. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. So now let's begin. For the first step, open up your Insta. Now, the error that I'm talking about is when you upload a story, normally it should look something like this. But sometimes it gets zoomed in and everything looks bigger and unorganized and just out of proportions. So, if that's the issue you're facing, the first thing that you need to do is clear out your cache. Now, if you're on Android, clearing out cache should be easy. But if you're on your iPhone or any iOS device, head over to your settings and navigate to General. Tap on General and head over to iPhone storage. After you select iPhone storage, you will need to search for Instagram. So after it loads, search for Instagram and then open it up. Then offload the app by tapping on offload and confirming the offload. After you offload the app, reinstall it, and after you reinstall your app, check if the problem is still there. If the problem is still there and it's not fixed, the final thing that you can actually do is update the app. For that, open up your App Store and head over to search bar. Search for Insta, and after you search for Insta, you will find your Instagram app right here. Now, if you see an update option instead of the open option, simply tap on update to update your app. Doing that should fix your issue, and that is basically all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.